Hello everyone. Our team name is Gecko. We have created a project called Limeade. Uh, it is a decentralized medical system that enables people to get medical assistance for maintaining their records with the authorities. The problem that we discovered was while most of the developed countries in the world saw failing medical facilities during COVID-19 outbreak, Taiwan was preparing itself for a major outbreak for about 17 years since the last SARS outbreak. The preparation included using medical and travel records of the citizens and categorizing high risk personnel. This led to free and safe movement of other citizens and provided medical assistance in time. As of today, Taiwan has 15,000 cases and around 700 deaths. This can be proof of concept enough that data with the right authorities can be leveraged to help the people and save lives. We propose a blockchain based medical system where an individual and authority have access to the medical history of a person. Hospitals can add records when a patient is admitted, and individuals can share their data with limited access to others. The report of the patient is attached to a shared NFT based storage for which the access key is encrypted over the NewCipher network. And special privileges are given to the medical authorities and the person. For maintaining a user or a client side profile, we have leveraged Fortis over a web application where a person can view the records and request a limited period view access to someone else's records, which will be queried using endpoints provided by the graph. Moving over to the flowchart, passing on to Samarth now, he'll explain the flowchart.
As Anmol explained, we are storing the medical records of a patient using a shared storage, which is a IPFS-based storage. And for this, we can leverage Filecoin because it provides us storage not only for short term but a long term, where we can pin the nodes or we can use cached nodes as well. Now, the solution we are proposing is not only just storing the medical records for emergency, but also a system in which a person can access medical assistance just by keeping their records in check. And that sounds a very theoretical idea, but it can be implemented because the only key holding it is a contract. Now, what the contract does is the contract we're trying to propose here is if a person keeps their medical records in check, and if the person has for example, if you in a finance system, you need to follow a certain rules in order to get your reward. That is exactly what we are trying to do. We will treat your medical records as NFTs, and the storage we use is shown here, and the encryption we are trying to propose is the person whose records are being stored can only view, but no node or no user can access or edit the data. Just the medical authorities and the government can leverage these rules. So that is how we can provide and for obvious reasons, if the person keeps their records in check, they will get medical assistance because their medical records will be treated as NFTs. So this is the solution we are trying to propose, and using this, the problem we are trying to solve is the medical records or of every citizen who agrees to this will be in check, and these can be leveraged in times of in emergencies such as COVID. Because as we showed you by the Taiwan example, if in times of emergencies we have a proper structured data and we have quick access to them, a disaster can be managed just by a simple solution. Thank you. Over to you, Anmol.
Yeah. So in the future, this can be extended to universal healthcare and provide better facilities to the people. This shall also reduce the time of the treatments as the ailments of the person already known and side effects of any medication can be predicted. Also, in case of life-threatening situations, hospitals can access the medical history of a patient if their family is not contactable, and they can start with the medical procedures. This can be really helpful in saving lives. Now, moving on to the demo, Abhirup can show you the web application. We have integrated Fortis for authentication. You'll have to create a new wallet.